Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MG5420 series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and in the Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MG5420 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be from Canon.com. Canon support for PIXMA MG5420. Go ahead and select that. And then you can scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then if your operating system or version number isn't right, you can select the drop downs here to select the appropriate version. And then going down to step number 3 here, and you want to select where it says My Printer. Looks like version 3.3 is the latest one that's available on here. We're going to select Download. And then once it's downloaded to our device, we're going to go ahead and open it up to run it. Should be a verified publisher and select Yes. Once it's done, select Next on this installation screen. Select the correct region as well as country. You want to agree to license terms. You can change the destination folder if you choose and select Next. And give this a little bit of time to run. And you can create a shortcut on your desktop if you choose. And if you don't, you can just uncheck it and then select complete to finish the installation. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.